If people are driving, think about who's gonna stop and dial the number they see on the billboard. And again, how do you know someone called after seeing the billboard? How do you know the billboard was effective, really? I'm not saying that these channels of marketing are completely dead. I'm simply saying that for the vast majority of us, and probably including you as well, there are better alternatives. And I'm not even going to include in this list the fact that running advertisements through these channels, especially radio and TV, even more so TV, can get pretty expensive. And when I say pretty expensive, I mean it. And yes, the cost of running a TV ad for a week or a month can vary greatly depending on a number of factors, including the location and size of the market, the time of the day, and the length and frequency of the ad. However, costs can climb as high as $20,000 or more for a 30-second ad that runs for a month on local stations in smaller markets. For a major network, during prime time in a major market, a 30-second ad that runs once per day for a single month can cost more than $100,000. And that is once per day and just for a month. Add on top of that the cost of creating the ad. And on top of this, the fact that you cannot change the ad if for some reason it doesn't resonate with your target audience. So you only have one shot and you have to hit the target the very first time. Or you'll have to dig deep back into your pocket. But to be honest, the cost does not matter if it profits your business. Then it's not a cost, but it's an investment. There are large companies that have been running TV ads for ages and still do to this day. The truth is, they have the budget for it. They can spend $100,000 on a TV ad just to create brand awareness. Now let's dig deep in the 3 main reasons of why you should not run TV, radio, or newspaper ads. The reason number 1 is how much data can the advertising channel return back to you and how fast. Data is represented by a number of metrics that you can measure, such as reach, which is how many people have seen your ad, frequency, how many times, and very important, results, how many people have called your business, for example, after seeing your ad. And cost per result, how much it costs you per person that calls your business to either schedule an appointment or ask for more details. So why it's important to have this type of data and have it soon after you start the campaign? Well, obviously, this way you can know if what you are doing works or not, so you can relatively quickly change it or fix the issues so you don't spend money on something that doesn't work. And this leads us smoothly into the second reason, which is how easy it is to track how much you spend versus how much you made. Since we have data like results and cost per result, or conversion and cost per conversion, which is essentially the same thing, we can easily determine how profitable our campaign is in real time. How much money we are spending versus how much money we are making. Now, if you find this video useful, I would strongly recommend you check the video I talk about where to efficiently and effectively promote your business in 2023 and beyond. So watch it after you finish this video. Reason number 3 is targeting. Platforms like Facebook or Google allow you to be very specific in your targeting, whereas with traditional media like TV or radio, you can usually reach only a general audience. And again, I said this before, be where your customer is. Spend money where it makes sense. Now, based on what I've presented to you, it is for you to decide what would be most effective to promote your business. Now, if you are interested in serving more people and making more money with your business, then I think my free ebook would be of help to you. To download it, type the link that appears on the screen into your browser, or alternatively, find the link in the video description below by pressing on more. See you next time, partner.